Did you? You did? Who won? Look at this big grill. Oh, that's a bummer. So, who's... Are they up 2-1?
Magic 1 and 3.
3?
No, 1 and 2.
2, yeah, so they're up 2-1, right? Yeah, that's what I thought. They don't play tonight, right? No. Yeah. Yeah. They are. What? Oh, quarterback. Yeah. What are you guys doing tonight after all this?
I'm back to the hotel.
Then what?
No, after the second game, we're going to Sky Zone. Jump on the first game.
You're going to go to Sky Zone tonight?
No, right after the second game.
Oh, today's game? Is there only 2 games for us today?
2 games.
That's it?
Yeah. Then we're back to back, so after this one...
Yeah. Good thing I brought a book to read. You see, I'm going to go down to the ocean.
So much. It's like not busy at all.
Where?
At the beach.
I know. Well, it's raining.
Right there, yes.
It's a rainy day, so it's probably going to be a good day for the beach. Because there'll be no people.
I know.
I'm going to go look for crabs or something.
Summer said yesterday, but no problem.
She went one time.
But we walked now.
I know. That's what I'm going to go do for a little bit. I'm on my own. Bill's not here this time. I got a hotel room. Oh! Oh man. That was so funny.
I went swimming with almost the whole CBC team. I went swimming with almost the whole CBC team.
He's cute. There's something else. Oh my god, it's hilarious. Yeah? You like blue Skittles? Why not? Oh, those kinds. It's probably because it's the flavor. Aren't they like fruit or pie? Yeah, I feel like the original kind of that. The red type. Yeah. So what's your first one? Oh, comfort.
Let me see, ocean is
There's no come up for, yeah. Come for, yeah. What? What's that? Oh, in your basketball league?
No.
So what's the Rocket League?
I got an overtime straight up. And then it was let's say you here with the ball.
Yeah.
Obviously, the other opponent was
Yeah.
hat trick though. He's a hat trick. And one
I'll just get going. They always do that.
This broadcast is produced by TecGym Sports. Please like and subscribe to support the channel. We'd like to thank our generous sponsors: Bacta Black Asphalt Services, Sinet Building and Remodeling, JB Property Management, A Simple Love, VT, Spalding Sugar House, plus Robert and Sandra TATRO, and also Andy and Pollyanna BLADYKA. We'd also like to thank our community partners: Fact TV, Okemo Valley TV, Claremont Community Television, and Brattleboro Community Television. Highlights of teams and players can be ordered at techgym.net/film/. TecGym.net/highlights. You can also use that page to request that we follow your team or player. We would also like to thank the community members who have volunteered and donated, making this service possible. If you would like to have continued coverage of local sports, please consider making a tax-deductible gift at TecGym.net/support. As always, we'd like to thank all the players, coaches, officials, staff, and fans for supporting local sports. Enjoy the game.